Welcome back to Wok Wednesday. This is Lance from School of Wok, London's best Asian cookery school. And today we're cooking Fujian Fried Rice, which is the egg fried rice base with a seafood gravy on top. Really delicious. So let's go through the ingredients. The first thing we got here, for the seafood gravy, we've got some shiitake mushrooms. And if you can see, this is the dry version. We use the dry version and we soak them in hot water for about 30 minutes and becomes wet, just to rehydrate them, soften them, bring back the flavor. And when compared to the fresh one, it has a really nice kind of mellow and earthy flavor to it. This is why we use it a lot in stir fries, in dumpling fillings, really widely used in Chinese cooking. And next thing on your plate, on your wok clock, it's your asparagus. Just dice them up, a bit of carrots, and we've got some spring onions, stems and leaves for the egg fried rice. Okay. Seafood wise, we've got some squid, scored and chopped into chunks, and also a bit of prawns, just deveined and butterflied. If you want to know how to clean your squid and how to butterfly our prawns, make sure you check out our videos, this one or this one.
Just that one.
Just that one. Make sure you check out our videos, this one. And first we make egg fried rice. We've got some cold rice here, which I made in the morning, and I separated grain by grain. Okay, let's get working. Okay, smoking hot, oil, egg in, another egg in. You wait until get white solid, scramble it. While it's still runny, you want egg yolk to kind of stick onto the grain of rice. That's why you want to add in the rice while it's still running. So you can see it's nicely sticking. We're using jasmine rice for this dish, but you can use sushi rice or long grain rice if you want. Okay, and last bit, you push everything away, bit of oil. Want to add in some spring onion stems. Fry that. Now we're gonna start to season your rice. The pinch of salt. You can do this technique, kind of really loosen it, separate the rice. And again, spread it out, let it char. What we're looking for at the moment is your dancing rice. If you divide it, you can see it's jumping. It means it's nicely dry and crispy. Last bit, like so, about a 1.5 tablespoon from the edge. Give a bit of nice color. Spread it out, let it char for the one last 10 seconds. And we're ready to serve. So this would be the base for the Fujian fried rice. And next we do the seafood gravy. This is actually a Hong Kongese dish. The chefs that they wanted to sound a bit more premier, so they named it Fujian fried rice. Again, smoking hot wok, oil in. Rinse around. A bit of spring onion stems. Shiitake mushrooms. I'm on a medium heat. at the moment. Nicely fragrant. Asparagus. Carrots. Oil, more oil. And now we turn it up to 9 on a high heat. Now we add in a tiny bit of light soy. The reason why we add it in now, because we want to kind of caramelize the light soy, get a really nice, like charred soy flavor. Piping hot, and then chicken sauce. Now we bring it to boil. While we're waiting for it to boil, we get our seafood ready. Go in to seafood. This dish is in our Chinese banquet class. Make sure you sign up for it if you want to learn it right in this place. Okay, now we season with some more oyster, about a tablespoon. Pinch of sugar, pinch of white pepper to kind of cover this fishiness. Once the squid curls up and the prawns turn into pink color, it's ready to taste, okay? More salty. Light soy. Now we thicken up. Corn flour slurry. Okay. You add it in, bit by bit. Nicely thick and silky. Now we add in sesame oil. That's it. Turn off the heat. And we serve. Now we taste. It's really savory, kind of seafoody, very succulent. It's really a comforting food in a winter day. And every grain of rice just soaks up the nice seafoody gravy and just makes it like extra silky and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like our videos as much as we love making them for you, please comment down below what's your favorite fried rice dish, and we will see you next week. Bye!